Good morning mga kasimple! Here's another way on how to prepare your okra or lady finger. Simple and easy. Lagyan lang po natin ng asin at tubig yung okra para maging malinis. And then, lamas-lamasin. After that, magpakulo ng tubig. Lagyan ng mantika at asin. Blanch it for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly softened. Tanggalin po natin yung hard part and slice it into half. Put it into a bowl and get ready the seasoning. For seasoning or pampalasa, we have minced garlic, red chili, hot oil, light sauce, dark sauce, and a little sugar. And then i-mix natin siya bago natin ilagay doon sa pre-cooked na okra. Ayan po ang ating okra na napakasimple at daling gawin. Ready to serve na. Siguradong masarap at magandang ihain sa pagkainan. Napakasarap at masustansya pa.